The Newton's law of cooling, it states that the rate of cooling of the body is directly proportional to the temperature difference between body and the surrounding, provided it to be small. If capital T and T0 are the temperatures of the body and the surrounding respectively, and capital A is the surface area of the body, then by Stephen Boltzmann law, the rate of loss of heat due to radiation H1 equal to epsilon sigma A in bracket T power 4 minus T0 power 4. If delta T is the temperature difference between body and surroundings, then we can write delta T equal to T minus T0 or T equal to T0 plus delta T. So H1 equal to epsilon sigma A in bracket T0 plus delta T whole power 4 minus T0 4 bracket closed equal to epsilon sigma A in bracket T0 4 in bracket 1 plus delta T upon T0 power 4 minus T0 4. If delta T is small, then 1 plus delta T upon T0 whole power 4 is approximately equal to 1 plus 4 delta T upon T0. Thus we have H1 equal to epsilon sigma A T0 power 4 in bracket 1 plus 4 delta T upon T0 bracket closed minus T0 power 4 equal to epsilon sigma A in bracket T0 power 4 plus 4 T0 cube delta T minus T0 4, or H1 equal to 4 epsilon sigma T0 power 3 delta T, or H1 equal to K1A in bracket T minus T0, where K1 is a constant. The body may lose heat due to convection also. The rate of loss of heat by convection can be written as H2 equal to K2A T minus T0. The net rate of loss of heat energy H equal to H1 plus H2 equal to K1 plus K2 bracket closed capital A multiplied by in bracket T minus T